A couple of weeks ago, John Young and I on Deshaki News talked about things to do in your downtime. For a lot of us, November is downtime. We're between weddings and holiday parties. One thing that we suggested was tuning up your DJ system. This isn't about buying new speakers and buying new laptops and buying new controllers. What I'm talking about is just kind of going through things and finding the little things that you don't like or maybe could use some improvement and fixing them. Kind of like tuning up your car. Love your car, you don't want to trade it in, but it needs an oil change, plugs, wires, that kind of thing. Same thing with my DJ system. I'm going to start with the ProVent table. I don't carry it in a bag. It's too hard for me to pack stuff in a bag, just with my situation. So I carry it raw like this. I treat it like a piece of trussing. And what I really hate are the tabletop support bars because they like to fall off the cart and everything else. So what I've done is I've taken the bungee balls, these 4-inch bungee balls, and I've strapped them to the side of the table, and that helps. It's easy to carry. I always know where they are, and I've got some bungee balls when I get to the event that I could use for tying down cables if I need to. Now, when I bought these, okay, I bought 4-inch bungee balls, these little short guys right here, and truth be told, they're not really long enough. It's a knuckle buster for me one-handed to put these on and take them off. Sometimes the ball flies back and hits me in the knuckle or something. So I went ahead and I ordered some 6-inch. I think that'll be better. It'll still be tight enough, but it won't be so hard to put on here. So the other thing I want to work on is this laptop stand that I built for the ProVent table. I made it out of a Global Trust America GT shelf, and I put junior clamps on it. It works great. I love it. What I hate are these wing nuts on these junior clamps. I got to get this real tight so the laptop doesn't slide down. It's tough on my fingers to get it tight. It takes a while to screw them down and unscrew them. Probably going to save about a minute if I go ahead and I get some junior clamps with the little quick releases. Something else I've been meaning to do for a long time and I just never got around to it is work on this cable bag. This is an Aribicase AC125 and it weighs a metric ton, all the stuff I have in here. When I first built the microsystem, and by the way, my definition of a microsystem is something that I can handle relatively easily in my condition. Size doesn't really matter, can I handle it or not. Anyway, I was using these Stage Ninja retractable XLR cables. This is heavier than a traditional XLR cable, and when you put 2 of them in here, it starts to weigh it down, let alone 3 of these Bayco retractable extension cables. You'll notice this is a little frayed here, I'm a little embarrassed about it, but I don't really need these Stage Ninjas anymore. In fact, I've replaced them with these, and they're a little tangled because I just pulled them out of the bag, but these are my Inspecto cables. They wind pretty easy for me, I don't struggle with them, so that's cut some weight down, but I need to go ahead and find an extension cable that I can easily wind as well and get rid of these 3 big Bayco reels. It's going to lighten up my cable bag a lot. So those are just a couple of the things that I'm thinking about for the system tune-up this year. There are other things. I've got some stuff in the rack I'd like to do to kind of streamline my wiring there as well. What do you got going on? What could use some attention on your system? Let us know in the comments section. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Practice and enjoy.